In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write effective Suno-style prompts for music generation. When you're crafting a prompt for Suno, start by naming the genre right away. Lead with it, keep it clear and simple, and let it set the direction of the whole track. Think of straightforward labels like pop, hip hop, R&B, rock, EDM, acoustic, jazz, lo-fi, or country. A clean opener such as pop song with a catchy chorus and upbeat rhythm instantly tells the model what lane to drive in and avoids confusion from the start. Next, enrich the idea by combining genre, mood, and instruments. This adds color without overcomplicating things. A line like emotional R&B ballad with piano and soft drums guides the feel, the pacing, and the core sounds you expect to hear. Aim for one strong mood and one or two featured instruments so the production remains focused and musical. Being specific with substyles can dial in the vibe even further. Consider cues like trap hip hop, pop rock, lo-fi chill, afrobeat, synth pop, indie folk, dance EDM, or acoustic pop to fine-tune rhythm, textures, and tone. For example, indie pop with dreamy vocals and ambient production nudges the arrangement toward airy pads, softer percussion, and a floating vocal feel. Keep your wording clean and avoid stacking too many genres. When you cram a prompt with rock pop, EDM, hip hop, jazz, funk, trap dance, the output can feel scattered. Instead, pick a single direction such as alternative rock with energetic drums so the groove, guitars, and mix choices stay coherent. Fewer, stronger cues let the model make confident, cohesive decisions. Make sure the vocal style matches the genre. Pop often shines with clear, polished vocals. R&B favors smooth, fluid phrasing. Rock thrives on strong, expressive delivery. Hip hop benefits from rhythmic flow, and ballads call for an emotional tone. Try something like emotional pop ballad with powerful vocals to anchor the performance character from the outset. Finally, structure a full prompt by flowing naturally from genre to mood, instruments, vocal style, and energy level. Think upbeat pop song, female vocals, catchy chorus, modern production, radio style. It's concise, specific, and musical. Words like upbeat, mellow, high energy, or laid back help translate the intensity you want without needing technical terms. As you write, lead with the genre every time. Choose only details that truly shape the sound and keep the language crisp. With focused musical prompts, Suno has a clear roadmap, and you get results that align with your vision more consistently.